Okay. Then we'll move to the next question. Next question, they are telling AB is a vertical building. Okay. A car is parked at C on the ground BC. Mark on the diagram the angle of depression seen by a car to a person looking from A and find its magnitude. So in the syllabus, we have two things. One is angle of elevation and the other one we call as what? Angle of depression. So here they are asking angle of depression. So first, what we'll do means we'll draw a dotted line like this. Okay. So angle of depression, if they ask, you have to mark it like this. Angle of elevation, if they ask, you have to mark it like this. Okay. So depending on what they ask. Here they are telling AB is a vertical building. A car is parked at C. On the ground BC, mark on the diagram the angle of depression seen by the car to a person looking from A. The person is looking from A. So in the exam, normally they tell the person is looking from which point. At that point only you draw this dotted line. The person is looking from A, draw the dotted line at A. The person is looking from C, draw the dotted line at C. Okay, looking from A, so draw the dotted line at the point A and you have to mark the angle of depression. Angle of depression means, okay, you have to mark it like this. In this question, they didn't ask angle of elevation, but if they ask angle of elevation means you have to mark it up. Okay, like this. That is angle of elevation. So here they ask angle of depression, no? That is this particular angle. So they are asking to find the magnitude. Okay, this total is 90 degrees. Okay, so if you take this as x, we can tell x plus 40 degrees. X plus 40 degrees, that is equal to how much? That is equivalent to 90 degrees. So x is equivalent to 90 degrees minus 40 degrees. Therefore, x is equivalent to how much? X is equivalent to 50 degrees. Therefore, the magnitude of the angle of depression is x is equal to 50. Okay. Then, question number 20, they are telling a balanced coin and an unbiased dice. Normally, if you take a 2 rupee coin or 1 rupee coin, what do you get? Either head or tail. So that is the one they have marked here. You see, H for head and T for tail. A balanced coin and an unbiased dice with 6 sides marked 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of the event of an even number on the dice with the coin being heads marked in the grid below. Two conditions should be there. What is the first condition? It should be an even number. Second condition is what? Head should be marked. So out of these numbers, even number means what? 2. 2 is an even number. Again, this 2 is an even. Then head should be marked means what? Here, we can mark a head here. Head here and a head here. So both the conditions should be satisfied. It should be even number as well as it should be marked. Okay. So that means what is that probability? Now totally out of how many chances we have in total? We have actually 12 chances, isn't it? So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side you have 6. Okay. This side you have 2. So 6 into 2 is how much? Out of 12. Out of 12, 2 possibilities. Therefore, 2 over 12 is what? That is the probability. Therefore, the probability is 2 over 12. So, if we simplify that, 2 over 12, when we simplify what we get? We get 1 over 6. Okay. So, total, how do you find? This side 6, no? This side to multiply both. 6 into 2 is 12. So, you have to like cross out the points. Yeah, it satisfies both the conditions. So, what are the conditions? One is it should be an even number, and the second one it should be a head. Even number means 2, being head is what? That is this one. Okay. Okay, then note down that. If anyone has any doubts, ask related to question number 19 and 20.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, in the question number 20, how did the in the dice for how did that get a 6 there?
Because 1, 1, this is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. There are 6 values here, isn't it? That's how the 6 came.
Okay.
Okay. Sometimes you may wonder why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 didn't come. Okay. If that is the question, because it's an unbiased die. Okay. And 6 sides are marked as 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. That means normally if you take a normal dice, okay, when you play Ludo, it is marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, but this dice, okay, the same number has been repeated 2 times. That means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. We don't have these 3 numbers in the dice. That's what they're telling. An unbiased dice with 6 sides marked 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. We don't have 4, 5, 6 in that dice. Okay. So if we draw a cubical dice, the dice looks like this. Okay. So we have a cubical dice like this. So in this dice, okay, this is marked as number 1 means this side is also number 1. This side is number 2 means this is also number 2. Like that same number has been marked 2 times. So bottom is number 3 means here also number 3. Like that the dice is made. That means we don't have 4, 5, 6. Okay. So it will be different question. Okay. All the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we have also, there are 6. Similarly, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 also. We have to count those all those things. So altogether 6. Okay, then note down that. Okay. Does anyone need more time? Shall we move? Okay. Then, question number 21. Find the magnitude of what? ACB of the circle with center O. Circle with center O. They are asking us to find the magnitude of ACB. So ACB means this particular angle. Right? So before doing that question, what are the data we can mark from here? You know, this is the center, right? This is the center of this circle. That is O. A is what? A is a point on the circumference of the circle. B is also point on the circumference of the circle. Then we can mark the radius. OB is what? That is the radius. So similarly, I can mark OA. OA is what? That is also the radius. OA is the radius and OB is also the radius. That means if those two sides are equal, O to B, then both these angles should be same. That means if you take this angle, okay, and if you take this angle, both are same. Why? It's an isosceles triangle. Okay. Then what else we can take? Now this line you can see here. This is CB line. Okay. This is a chord, no? Normally the straight line which is joining 2 points on the circumference of the circle, that we call as what? That we call as the chord. Okay. Chord of the circle. Then the question is what? Question is ACB. Okay. This angle. This angle is the question. So how can I find ACB means? First of all, okay, if you take this triangle AOB triangle, okay, in triangle AOB, we'll write down the value of AOB first. First, considering triangle AOB. That means the brown color triangle. The value of angle AOB, that is equivalent to what? 60. Okay. AOB is equivalent to 60 degrees, we can take. Okay. So because all these sides are equal, no? That's why, okay. So since the sides are equal, that is equivalent to 60. Then, so after that, we can tell the value of what? The value of AC. So what's the value of ACB means? ACB means this particular value. Okay. So if this is 60, okay, if this is 60 and this particular angle is 60 and if this is also 60. So you can see here, okay, this line, can you see B by symmetry, this value and this value are equal. Okay. Then if you consider this particular triangle, this angle and this angle are same. Therefore, we can tell the value of AC, that is equivalent to how much? That is equivalent to 30 degrees. Therefore, ACB is 30. So if you find AOB is 60, you will be getting 1 mark. If you find ACB is equivalent to 30, you will be what? Getting another 1 mark. Okay, so totally 2 marks for this question. Okay, then note down that.
Can you explain again? I didn't get
Okay, sure.
how AOB is equal to 60 degree?
Yeah, I will explain it again. So, first of all, in this question, you see, find the magnitude of ACB of the circle with center is O. Okay. Center of the circle is O. So, if you take this particular diagram, okay, center is O, no? Right. So, all these lengths are equal, isn't it? So, this length, this OB length. Okay. Then, this OA length. And this AB. This AB length. Why? I'll explain the reason also. If I join OC, it's like a parallelogram, okay? If I join OC, do you agree? One by one, I'm telling you. Do you agree? If OB is the radii, right? If OB is the radii, OC is also R, and, okay, this OA is also R. From the center to a point on the circumference, it is R. So if this is R, parallelogram, no?
Yes.
So if this is R, what is this length? This is also R. So it's an equilateral triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. So this angle, and this angle all should be 60. Okay. Therefore, AOB angle is there, no? AOB angle. That is equivalent to what? That is equivalent to 60 degrees. Then OBA. This particular angle is OBA, right? OBA. That is equivalent to 60 degrees. Then OAB. That angle is also what? That is also equivalent to 60 degrees. All are 60 because it's an equilateral triangle. 180 by 3, that is 60. So this O to A, O is the center, A is a point on the circumference, so this is radius. O is the center, B is a point on the circumference, this is radius. Therefore, this is isosceles, as I told earlier. At the same time, OZ is also radius. O is the point at the center, C is on the circumference. If OZ is the radius, AB also same, right? Parallelogram opposite sides, okay? This one and this one. Therefore, these three should be 180. Therefore, AOB, that is equivalent to what? That is equivalent to 60. Okay. Then, okay, if you consider this triangle, OBZ triangle, this angle I told now 60, no? This is 60. Therefore, by symmetry, this is also 60. Okay. So, if this angle is 60, this is also 60. Right? Then, this is R means opposite angle should be same. This angle and this angle both are same. Or else you can consider this as 90. This is 90 degrees. This is 60. And this angle is unknown. Then for this triangle, you can apply 60 degrees plus 90 degrees plus the unknown angle OZR. That is equivalent to what? That is equivalent to 108. Therefore, 60 plus 90, 150 degrees plus OZR, that is equivalent to 180 degrees. Therefore, the value of OZR is 180 minus 50, that is equivalent to 30. Not OZR, OZD, no? This middle letter is D. Therefore, OCD. That is the question. The C angle is how much? Therefore, OCD angle, that is 30. Yes, the person who asked the doubt, is it okay?
Oh, yes, Miss. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Then note down that.
Yes.
Okay. So I hope you all have written this. Then we'll move on to the next one. The next one is question number 22. A semicircle with center O and diameter AB intersects AC and DB at T. Okay. Then what they are telling is EO is parallel to BC. Find the magnitude of BDC if AOE is equal to what? Equal to 65 degrees. Okay. So we have a theorem. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Okay. So first of all, I can mark that. ACB, that is equivalent to how much? That is equivalent to 90 degrees. Okay. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So semicircle with center and diameter AB intersects this. Then they have given this is parallel. Here's another data. EO and BC both are parallel to what? Parallel to each other. Then this is 90, no? This is 90 is given. Then I can find this angle. BAC. BAC means this particular angle I can find. Since this and this are parallel, okay, this is 90 means this is also 90. Okay. Let's tell now this angle is y. So this angle I can find. So how to find this angle? Again, same thing. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is what? That is 108. Therefore, 65 degrees plus 90 degrees plus y, that is equal to what? That is equivalent to 180 degrees. So 65 plus 90, that is equal to 155 degrees. So 155 degrees plus y, that is equal to 180 degrees. So if I calculate the value of y is 180 minus 155. That is what? That is EAO, that particular angle. So from 180, if I deduct 155, I will be getting 25 degrees. Okay. So that is the value of y. So after finding that, okay, the question is BDC. BDC means this particular angle. Okay. BDC. Okay. So that is also equivalent to how much? That is also equivalent to 25 degrees. Therefore, we can tell the angle BDC is equal to what? That is 25 degrees. Okay. So what are the theorems I have used here? The first one is they are telling a semicircle with center O. Okay. So this is the center of the semicircle and diameter AB intersects what? Intersects AC and DB at T. They are telling EO, this line, okay, this is EO is parallel to BC. Find the magnitude of BDC. AOE is 65. Okay. So this is 90 means this is 90. Then we can find this angle. By using the theorem, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle, that is equivalent to what? That is equivalent to 180 degrees. Okay. Then note down that BDC value is 25. Okay, a student has asked why BDC is 25. What's the reason? Because angle in the same segment. Look at here. This is BC. Okay. Then, if you consider this triangle, this one, this one and this as common, we can draw this one. Okay. We can draw this. This blue color one is common, right? Can you see? This blue color one is common for both of them. Therefore, if this is 25, this is also equivalent to what? That is also 25. There is a theorem like that, isn't it? Normally, if you like draw like this one and this one, okay, both these angles would be equal. Considering this as a base, this angle and this angle what? Both of them are same. Okay. So using that, we can tell BDC is what? That is 25. Then the next one they are asking about mandates. It is estimated. It is estimated 3 men take 12 days to do a certain task. That means what is the total? That means 3 into 12, 36 man days. So the number of man days we have to take in order to complete this task is, we can tell as what? 36 man days. Okay. Then they are telling it is estimated that 3 men take 12 days to do a certain task. If 3 men work for 5 days, okay. So if 3 men work for 5 days, how much task will be completed? 3 into 5, that is equal to how much? That is equivalent to 15 man days. 3 into 5, that is 15 man days. So totally, we have to perform 36 man days task. But 15 has been completed means how much is remaining? 21 man days. Okay. Task is remaining. So that's what they have asked. Here you see, 3 men take 12 days means totally we have 36 man days task to be performed. So after 5 days, 15 man days task has been completed because 3 men work for 5 days. So remaining is 21 man days. So 21 man days task is remain. So in order to complete that, now totally 7 people we assigned. Earlier there were 3 men. Now additionally 4 others join means 7 people. So 7 people, in how many days they can complete? Let's take X as the number of days. So X is equivalent to how much? That is 21 divided by 7. So that is X is equivalent to what? X is equivalent to 3. Okay. So we will be getting X as 3. So how many days before the estimated number of days the work can be completed? Okay. So earlier we took 5 days to complete it. Now additionally 3 days are needed. Okay. Then from the total 12, okay, from the total 12, earlier 5 was in 5 days, a part of the work has been completed. After appointing 7 men, we took what? Another 3 days to complete it. Therefore, after this task has been done, 4 more days will be what? Remaining. Okay. How many days before the estimated number of days can the work be completed? They are asking. Okay, before 4 days, we can complete it. Okay. To do means it is estimated that 3 men take 12 days to do a certain task. That means 3 men take 12 days means totally 36 man days we need. Okay. So out of that 36 within 5 days, okay, 5 into 3, 15 man days work has been completed. So how many man days work is remaining? 36 minus 15, that is 21 man days work is remaining. Okay. So 21 man days work is remaining. So that means now we have appointed additional. Therefore, 4 plus 3, we have what? We have 7 people. Therefore, 7 into x, that is equivalent to what? That is equal the subject. X is equivalent to what? X is equivalent to 21 over 7. That is x is equivalent to 3. Okay. So in 8 days, we can complete. First 5 days, 3 men, 15 man days work has been completed. The remaining 3 days, 7 men. So 7 into 3, 21. So although we estimated it will take 12 days to complete, within 8 days, the task can be completed. So that means additional 4 days, okay, no need to do anything. So how many days before the estimated number of days can the work be completed? Before 4 days start, we can complete it. Okay, then note down that if anyone has any doubts related to question number 23, all can ask.